you did a round trip from here to Venus in 4 days or so.
It was 3 days.
Hi.
What do you want, babe? You looking?
I don't even know. Okay, I went to the city. I didn't speak much during the vlog, I realized. So I'm gonna be speaking now. And we're gonna chat and eat together. Today, I think I'm gonna make a video out of it too. It might be this video. We did a boba tour. And I drank too much, so I had to take one to go. This is a passion fruit green tea. And usually there's like passion fruit seeds and lemons inside, but I don't know. I just have some Korean fried chicken from BBQ, some tteokbokki from BBQ. I went to H Mart and got some sausages just to eat with it, and the expensive kimchi because mine in my fridge was no longer good, so I had to buy more. But yeah, yesterday I went to Beacon's Closet and I traded in some clothes. I made like $60. Join me to go sell like half my closet at Beacon's Closet by the new school. What? That's in Manhattan.
What if I sell a bunch of my stuff too, just because I need money?
You can. They're buying spring right now. It's in Manhattan. New school's in Manhattan. New school's in Manhattan.
Yeah, Greenwich Village.
Yeah, my plan is to make however much I spend on train tickets back plus some, and that'll be like my hanging out in the city money. I have the clothes I'm gonna sell here. I might as well show you guys, even though I just packed it away and that's kind of annoying, but I'm gonna show you anyway. If they don't buy all of this, I'm actually gonna cry and pee my pants, but it's fine. It's cool. I'll do a cute little fit check after because I want to take pictures because I saw my husband last night and I did a last minute outfit change. So the pictures I posted on Instagram aren't the actual clothes I wore to the stinking wedding, but it's cool. Okay, let's get into it. So I have like this slip dress that I've had for literally like, when I shaved my head, like 3 years. So then I have this Adidas tracksuit top that I thought I was that girl, but I'm not. And I have this cropped flannel. Who the heck do I think I am? I have these men's big and tall Dickies, and they're way too big and they're way too tall for me. You know how Dickie crotch, it's like, it's weird. It's built super weird. It's like that's why you always see a plumber's butt crack, because the way Dickies are built, it's like they're not meant to hold any cheek at all. I bought these bootcut super emo low-rise jeans from, oh, I should show you, from, like, look at the waist, like, ooh, look at those pockets, look at the detail. They're super ugly though. I have these other low-rise, like, wide leg jeans from Urban Outfitters. It was on sale, but I peeled off the sale tag, so it says it just cost $80. 100% real leather biker pants. I'm gonna take some pictures for Instagram, sell these, and we're gonna go to Flushing to eat, and my roommate's insulin. Our train comes in like 5 minutes. Oh, our train will That's not our train. Oh shoot, that's our train. Yes, because let me pick up my dog and put it in the potted bush so it can poop. So that was sick. I'm kind of poor now in school, so I spent a lot of money on food, just put in the fridge. So we can keep this going, keep this between me and you, you know, eat together for the next few days. I don't have any cheese, which is super disappointing. I thought there was mozzarella cheese in the fridge, but there isn't. And low-key, BBQ chicken's kimchi is mid, but I wasn't working with a lot. I was gonna miss my train. We did miss our train, but no, there's no but. This is a terrible, scary story. So we missed our train, and we have to take the next one. And tell me why we're supposed to get home at like 9:30, but the train is delayed because we're stuck at a station, and this guy is trying to pry the doors open. So they had to back the train up and go into a different station because this guy was trying to break into the train. I'm so terrible. I low-key wish I recorded for content. It was a pretty good day though. I'll probably show you during dinner time, but I was in Flushing, and there's this Korean place downstairs in the food court, and I haven't been to the food court since COVID-19. So there's a bunch of new places down there, but this Korean place has been there for so long. It's the only Korean place, and not a lot of people go to them, but I love Korean food, so I was like, oh, let's try them. They are so good. I just got bulgogi and rice. No, nothing crazy, nothing special. They're not expensive either. And I went to sit down and eat it for lunch, but then I tasted it, and it was so good. I had to go back, buy another one, and then I tipped him. And they make it fresh, so when I ordered, I waited like 15 minutes when he went to the back to make it. They're really good. I had to talk to corporate. I had to talk to the manager. Ask who made that. Oh, from BBQ chicken, I got the soy garlic. It's an addiction. How can chicken stay so crunchy? You know? Rice cakes from BBQ, I knew they wouldn't be the best, but I wasn't working with a lot. There's another place in Queens that I would love to go back to, but they're just like in such an inconvenient area. Like no buses, trains really go there. So one day I just have to like bite the bullet and like take an Uber, I guess. My dorm doesn't allow like kitchenware. Most dorms don't. But we also don't have a community kitchen. We do, but it's only like countertops and sinks. So that's disappointing. So we're working with a microwave when we make our food here. So I am limited in options with the food I can get. And since I ran out of money on my meal plan, I don't want to buy food from the dining hall because the food's not very good. And I would, if I'm gonna spend real money, I'd rather go to like a restaurant and on food like I actually really enjoy. I took a fat nap earlier. I was gonna eat first, but I didn't want my face to swell, especially after eating something so spicy. Ouch. The egg was hot. Ow. But yeah, going back to the place in Flushing. I just burned my tongue. They're so good. So very good. I'm gonna finish this without you. I know I was boring, but this is life. Listen. Okay.